Thought I'd do a little video. Steve from Steve's Locksmith. This is on cutting high security multi-lock keys. And we're just going to hit this. Got it in the thing. I got to cut 4 of them for a customer. And we're going to hit start. It's asking if we have the right cutter. And we do. Now what it's going to do, see if I can get it, but it's going to calibrate the cutter first. That's that little silver battery in the back. Now we're doing the outside cuts first. Now it's going to prompt us to switch the key over. Switch the key over. What it's going to do, the machine's going to go through all 4 blanks and cut the outside cuts. Now multi-locks also have an inside cut, so then it's going to have me switch the cutter down here. I'll switch the cutter and then we'll do the same process again. And when we get done, we'll have 4 multi-lock keys cut to the code. Those are just the outside cuts right now. And then we'll cut the inside cuts as soon as we're done. Steve from Steve's Locksmith Shop signing off. And this is the Triax E code made by Silica.